Welcome to Blood, Sweat, and Beers. Today we are taking this beauty out on the motocross track right down the street from me. Haven't really taken her off-roading yet. She's getting a little muddy just from messing around in dirt pits, but this will be the first time really giving her a go and jumping her. So we'll see how that goes. That's pretty fucking sick, dude.
Yeah. A lot of fun on this fucker.
What's that?
A lot of fun on this one.
I wouldn't doubt it. Holy shit. And this is all just like the big track?
Yeah, there's a bigger track up here. This is the old one.
Okay.
This one's shit. There's a way nicer one. It rattled itself out.
Nice.
You scared to hit a hill climb?
Dude, it's just fucking big. I'm trying to take a sight lap before I go start fucking around.
Let's do it. I'll be right behind you.
All right. Oh, yeah. You good, Ron? All right. That one was a little sketchy. too. Went too far back and I came way too far forward. I think this one's just going to be butter, right? Well, we landed flat. I'll go into the wind. What are we doing? Alright, I'm going to make another lap around. I'll go meet him. That one was smooth. And half of these I'm just not good enough to take the corners quick to actually hit them. This was the one that we didn't hit very good last time, so try and clean it up this lap. Closer. Try out this tabletop one last time. See if we can't clear it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Getting closer.
Yeah? I noticed we got a pretty good view of the track over here, so we just watched.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that we haven't seen anybody driving on the track. I mean, I suppose it is technically closed.
That was clean. That one felt really good.
Hi, my name's Tom. I have a GoPro on, but I still want someone else to record my external view. Fucking cleared it. That was pretty fucking mint.
Oh, well, I'm at it. I'm just gonna take another lap. Not gonna be really ripping through corners or over those small ones. I just want to try and clear a couple more of the bigger ones. I've been knuckling them all day. Well, this next one I haven't been able to get clean at all. Ah! Yeah, that's what happens every time. I don't know if it's the way coming off the lip or if it's the way I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Probably both. This one's definitely third gear, like way up top second. It's just next one nice and clean. There we go. God, it's hard to slow down on this stuff. It's just nice and dry. This last chance for the tabletop. Make something happen, maybe.
It's fucking hot out.
It's really fucking hot out. Go find a gas station or some shit, dude.
The only gas station is Holiday, bro. I'd rather go to
I just need water.
You just need water.
Yeah, I just need fucking water.
Bad.
Oh, dude, I'm getting so fucking like dehydrated out here. Yeah.
Now what?
I don't know. Are we just dipping off by those little humps and going back?
Fuck my knee, it hurts like hell.
Huh. That's not good. whiskey throttle in the landing. God, my forearms are getting tired. Woo! I gotta take a breather for a second.
I want to watch her on for a second.
Yeah, I gotta take a breather.